Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We are on Excel and we're going to show you how to take the data in your pivot table and display it as yearly and quarterly. So as you can see, our pivot table over here on the right hand side, and what we want to do is this date range over here. We're going to go up and select anything on our pivot table that has a date range in it, and we're going to go up to the top of the page, and you can see at the top there is a pivot table analyze. You're going to click on that item. Now you see it says group selection just over here. You want to select that group selection and you'll have this window open up. Now once this window opens up, you have the quarters and you have the years. Now you must make sure that you are deselecting your current selection, which in my case was days. So now you can have quarterly and years, or you can have just one of them. You can just select whichever one it is that you'd like and tap on OK, and this will now break it up into that format. Now of course, if you have more data, this will be a lot easier to summarize this data into annual data and into quarterly data. If this video was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you in another awesome one. Cheers for now.